Hello friends, be here with a video for lalalandcrafts, and today we're going to be making a card using the kit of the month. So let's go ahead and make a card. So I am going to start by coloring these little guys. I don't know which one I'm going to use just yet, but I will show you the paper that I'm gonna be using, and this paper is from the Countryside paper pack, and it has this daisy flower. So I think I'm gonna use this little guy instead of this one with the tulip. So I'm gonna color these three and hope for the best that I can use the three with all that I want to put on my card. But this is the paper, so I thought this guy would be appropriate for this feel. So I'm gonna speed it through this part. Take a look at here. Here's gonna put the marker that I am using. I think for this card I will be using just Copics, but just in case that I grab an Ohuhu, I will make sure that you know that it's an Ohuhu. Let's go ahead and color these cuties. Here's how my little guys look. They are so adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and cut around them and come back, and we're gonna start building our card. Here I have all my pieces cut in white cardstock because I am going to use inks to add some color to them. And here are the inks we're going to be using: peacock feathers and Salvaged patina for my watering can because I thought it matches that little guy right there. Then mowed and twisted citron, gathered twigs, and tea dye. I am going to speed through this part and I'll see you when it's done. Here I have my paint splatter bin, and I want to add a little bit of texture to this. So I have here some water, and all I'm going to do is spritz my water a little bit, and then I'm going to add some Picket Fence Distress Spray Stain. Now that all my pieces are ready, we're going to go ahead and place everything where it goes. After I matted my car, I have cut my sentiment A Little Dirt Never Hurt with the scallop sentiment labels die, and I'm just gonna place it over here. And there we go, my car is done. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.